Hi there, today I'm unboxing a desk lamp. So details are in the description below for anyone interested in purchasing. Okay, so let's have a look at the packaging. Comes in a triangular box. So it says on there, lamp intelligent LED desk light. Plain packaging, nothing too fancy about it. Some details on the back of there. So touch method, touch sensor, lamp rotation angle 180 degrees, and adjust method 10 steps, adjustable. Okay, lamp power is 5 watts. It even has an inbuilt charger on there and a wireless charger as well. Okay, so let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. Okay, first of all, some instructions just with a picture of the actual lamp itself. Have a quick look inside. All instruction details are in English, so that's great. It's got a little box in the middle. Let's open that up. Okay, so power adapter here, quite a lot of cable, which is nice to have. And if I bring it in close here, let's see if I can give you the details of the output. So output is 12 volts, 2000 milliamps, okay? And then if I take that out, we're just left with the actual lamp. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging. Let's have a quick look at the power adapter. Quite chunky plug, I have to admit, quite large. Obviously plugs in this way with the cable coming up the top. Let's take this tie off and see how much cable we get. Not too bad, reasonable amount on there. Have to admit the cable quality is very good, nice and chunky. So good quality feel on there. You've got some flex on the end, so obviously you can give it a little bit of leeway like that. And even here, so really good solid build to the actual power adapter. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual lamp. So a triangular design on there, comes in a number of different colors. This is actually the gold one, which I've already mentioned. In terms of adjustment, the bottom part isn't adjustable, so that's in a fixed position, but the top part is adjustable. So if I lift it and I keep going, goes like so. And then you could also twist both ways like this. So when it's on your desk, you can leave like so. And when you want to use it, you can just adjust and position it in whichever way you want to obviously light up the area you're working on. Okay, so if we look underneath, we've got 6 rubber pads to avoid slipping on your desk. So it sort of stays firmly in position, doesn't easily slip. You've got 2 USB charge points on there, which is useful. You've got a power input there. And if I open this up and show like this, you've got DC 12 volts written there. That's obviously indicating where the power goes in. And then you've got a wireless fast charge point there. The controls here, this is the brightness levels. So this is a bright white light, and this is more of a yellowy sort of white. Okay, so the buttons here, this one enables you to turn on the cold white light and obviously adjust the brightness. It's not a physical button as such, it's just a smooth plastic element here, and you can just press it to obviously turn it on. Here you've got the warm white light button, and you can obviously adjust the colors there. Okay, so let's actually power it on and see what it's like. So I'll take the power adapter. I've got a power strip at the side here. I'll just plug it into there, and the other side goes into here. So immediately you see a little indicator saying there's power going into it. Okay, so if I put it down and I adjust like this and I press that, So it looks like it's flipped over to warm. Okay, that's the white light. Seems very responsive. You can just sort of glide your finger up and down, just to increase the brightness. So quite a nice feel to it, quite a good quality feel. If I click over to that, let's turn on the warm white light. More of a natural feel to that. Depends what you prefer really. I guess if you're studying, probably the bright white light is probably better. Okay, so that's quite nice. And I like the way you can flip over between the two. You're not limited only with one style of brightness. Obviously you can get the cold light or the warm light there. Okay, so let's turn that off. Next, let me get my mobile. And got it just here. Let's place it on there and let's see if it starts charging. Okay, I'll give it a second. There you go. So it's charging, wireless charging on there. So it doesn't charge like this. Obviously it depends where the pad is on your actual phone. So let's turn that off. And that light actually changes to indicate it's charging. So if I move it off, colours change to orangey reddish sort of, and if I put it back again, there you go, it's gone to blue. So that indicates that it is charging. So that's good to have the indication. Okay, so the next thing is, it didn't come with a USB cable, but I've got one here, so I can attempt to charge my phone off there. Let's see if that works. Plug that in. And there you go, it is charging. And if I unplug that, let's turn that off. And again, yep, that's charging off that one as well. So very useful to have the two charge points as well as the wireless charging. Okay, so the next thing we're going to show is the actual output given on each USB port. So I've got a meter here showing the actual output. And if I plug in my phone, it should say how much it's pulling out of there. So we're just looking at the bottom here, the amps value. So 0.46. Okay, so if I unplug that, plug in to here, give it a moment, and then plug in my phone, 0.46. So both ports are identical, one's not faster than the other. Okay, so next let me show the actual size of each element. So if we say here it's 30, it's going to there, it's about 34, 34 and a half, and should be similar here as well. Yeah, it's about 34, so both sides are 34. And if we look here, we're saying about 28. Okay, so next I'm going to demonstrate the actual brightness of the light. So if I turn that on and put that to maximum, brightness wise, very good. I'll just hold that as I twist it. There you go. So it gives a good amount of light. If it's too bright, obviously you can dim it down. Just give a subtle light and then turn it off. If I go there, and then obviously I've clicked it twice and it's flipped over to the warm light. So even that gives a really nice yellowy type of color. So there you go. So yeah, as you can see, brightness is sufficient and works really well. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing of this intelligent LED desk light. Build quality is good. Nice bit of flexibility there. Obviously just be able to adjust it like so, and you've got these options just to move it around. Nice that it's got the wireless charging point, it's got the two USB charge points, and obviously the flexibility of dimming it and making it brighter as well, and obviously going from cold white to warm white as well. So a nice little lamp there. Details are in the description below. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.